Stellantis CEO Carlos Tavares is out of here, stepping down and retiring, and now one man is becoming CEO of Alfa Romeo and Maserati. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise, welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where to say Stellantis is in dire straits would be an understatement, because sales have been plummeting so sharply here in the United States that dealers are accusing Carlos Tavares of the rapid degradation of the American brands. And dealerships nationwide even sent an open letter to the CEO warning that the automotive conglomerate is facing a disaster. And now, made official from Stellantis just hours ago, we learned that the CEO, Carlos Tavares, will step down, but we have another year and a half with him because it won't be until early 2026. Now, Tavares is the first and only CEO of Stellantis appointed as the head honcho after the PSA Group merged with Fiat Chrysler Automobiles in 2021. His five-year contract expires at the beginning of 2026. Although there were reports that suggested that he would keep his job for longer, that's not going to be the case. And according to the press release issued by Stellantis, Tavares retires at the conclusion of his CEO term in early 2026. Now, the search process to find a replacement has already started and is being conducted by a special committee of the board chaired by John Elkann, who is also Ferrari's chairman. Now, Stellantis says that it needs until the end of next year to pick the right person to succeed Tavares. In the meantime, Elkann points out that the board of directors is unanimous in its support of Carlos Tavares and for the decisive changes announced. Now, let's talk about those changes, because David DeGrasso and jean-philippe Imperato are no longer CEOs of Alfa Romeo and Maserati. Santo Ficilli has been appointed the chief executive officer of both Italian high-end brands. Grasso will stay with Stellantis, but in a different position. Now, as for Imperato, he is now chief operating officer, or COO, in the enlarged Europe region by replacing Uwe Mokoschutz, who is leaving the company. Now, Imperato will also be the CEO of Pro One, the commercial side of Stellantis. Elsewhere, Antonio Filosa continues as Jeep CEO, but will also take on the duties of a North American Chief Operating Officer, or CEO, to replace Carlos Salinga. Now, the latter will assume a different position within the company. Doug Osterman takes on the role of Chief Financial Officer to replace Natalie Knight, who is leaving. Now, Tavares had a lot of things to say in recent weeks about what's going on at Stellantis. He blamed bad marketing for Maserati's poor sales, and the CEO also pointed the finger at the Sterling Heights factory in Michigan, where too many Ram trucks need repairs right after leaving the assembly line. Now, on a related note, Stellantis recently admitted that it has an excess of unsold cars and is trying to slim down their inventory. None of the 14 car brands under the corporate umbrella are at risk of facing the chopping block, at least for the time being. Now, announced in 2021, the original plan to keep companies for 10 years is still alive. That means Stellantis will continue to have patience with Lancia, DS Automobiles, Chrysler, and other troubled automakers. But with that said, what are you guys feeling about this? We know that Tavares was on his way out somewhat, and a lot of people were looking forward to that. But David DeGrasso leaving Maserati and jean-philippe Imperato leaving Alfa Romeo, is this good news? Is this bad news? Is Stellantis in turmoil, burning down to the ground? Let me know what you guys think. Drop those comments down below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, but also make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, click those notification bells, check the link in the description if you want to help further support the channel. I appreciate the extra love, and guys, we will see you in the next video. Peace.